Hello friends, now we'll study the next page replacement algorithm is optimal page replacement algorithm. Okay, what optimal page replacement algorithm is? Replace the page that will not be used for the longest period of time. Okay, you have to replace the page. Okay, that page will not be used for the longest period of time. Clear? No? We'll take an example and you come to know. So these are the strings. Reference string is 701. Okay, these are the reference string. Clear? No? Okay, let's see. In optimal, first 7 is as usual. 7 you the initial the RAM is free. You place 7 here. Next 0 you place here, and 1 you place here. Okay, till here is common in all the page replacement algorithm. Okay, next you want to replace 2. Next you want to replace 2 here. Okay, so which one you have to exchange? Okay, so you have to replace that page that will not be used for the longest period of time. Okay, if you see here this 702. Okay, so here 702, which is the page that will not be used for the longest period of time. Okay, 7 is used here. Okay, 7 is used here. Okay, then 0. So 0 is you are using recently. Okay, you are going to use recently. Then 1 is here. Okay, so which is the longest period of time? Okay, will not be used. Okay, 7 is okay, will not use for longest period of time. Okay, after many replacement, then you use 7 here. So you have to replace 7 here. In place of 7, you have to place 2. Clear? No? Next, 0 is present, no problem. Next, 3 is not present here. Okay, so here 201. Okay, among this, which one is which page that will not be used for the longest period of time? Okay, see here 201. Okay, 0 you are going to use. Okay, 2 also you are going to use. 1 is you are going to use. Okay, after long time. Okay, so in place of 1 you have to replace 3. Clear? No? Next 0 is already present. Next 4. Okay, so among 203, okay, which page that will not be used for longest period of time? 203. 2 you are going to use. 3 also 0. So okay, 0 is the longest time. So in place of 0 you have to replace 4. Clear? No? Next 2 3 already present, so no replacement. Next 0 you want to place here. Okay, so 2 4 3, which is that will not be used for the longest period of time. Okay, 2 4 3 3 you are going to use 2. Next 4 is not there, so 4 is the longest period of time. In place of 4 0. Clear? No? Next 3 2 is present, no replacement. Next 1. Okay, among 203, 2 is you are going to use recently, 0 also. So in place of 3 1. Clear? No? Next 201 201 already present. Next 7. Okay, among 201, which is the that will not be used for the longest period of time, 0 you are going to use, 1 also you are going to use. Okay, 0 and 1 you are going to use. So 2 you are not going to use. Okay, 2 is not at all. So in place of 2, place 7. So clear? No? So here how many page faults are there? 1 2 3 4. Okay, then 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 faults are there. Clear? No? Okay, so in last example, in LRU method, how many page faults in LRU method? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 are there. Okay, so in FIFO method, how many page faults? 15 faults. Okay, clear, no? In optimal, only 4 5 6 7 8 9 faults, only 9 faults are there. Okay, so this is LRU is the, optimal page replacement is the best. Okay, so here very less page faults. Okay, if page faults occurs, what happens? You have to exchange with main memory and disk. Okay, so it saves lots of time. So CPU actually don't want waste time. Okay, so exchanging it take more time. Going to a hard disk and bringing from disk to main memory, it take more time. So it saves your time here. Okay, so optimal page replacement is the best. Okay, which contain very less page faults. Yeah, no. Okay, thank you.